Welcome. This is Madison Klusendorf presenting Company E in the business strategy game. The mission of Company E is to provide a high-quality, diverse footwear product that is sold through wholesale and internet distributors. The objective is to create options for those who appreciate excellency in contemporary fashion. Company E's vision is to expand and gain market share faster than any other competitor by becoming dominant online through superior price, quality, and customer service. There are 5 generic competitive strategies. The one in which Company E implements is the global differentiation strategy. This strategy requires a high SQ rating, a wide variety of models, advertising, celebrity appeal, high mail-in rebates, a large retail network as well as partnerships, and customer satisfaction. The internet segment is where Company E dominates. With 16.3% of the market share, it was a top performer in year 16. The high celebrity appeal in the Asia-Pacific market is where Company E has been successful. This is due to the fact that the 2 sponsorships have appeal rates over 95. The price of Company E is a competitive threat to retailers. This is due to the fact that it's approximately 30% above wholesale price. The wholesale segment is where Company E can improve. The 9.7% of market share that Company E has is solid. However, the price of Company E's shoe in the wholesale market needs to be altered. This is due to the fact that it is around industry standard. The stock price of Company E has been well over investor expectation from the beginning. This is extremely beneficial considering we want to make sure that investors still want to invest in Company E, especially in the later years. The SQ ranking for Company E has been superb, and the market share overview displays that Company E has no involvement with the private label. Company E has no actual interest in even investing in the private label market, considering the internet market is where Company E thrives. The earnings per share for investors is extremely important, since we want to make sure that Company E is ready to rumble in years to come. With the net revenues, as well as the return on equity and credit ranking, this is extremely doable for Company E. They have the resources, the capital, and the drive to do so. Now, Company E has a few weaknesses. The image rating needs to improve because in order to fully execute the global differentiation strategy, they need to have a better ranking overall. Now, this can be acquired through lowering operation costs, as well as lowering the price in the wholesale segment, and quite possibly providing free shipping in the future. Now, the future for Company E is bright. We must maintain the models and styles we've had. We must actually implement that low-cost leadership strategy by lowering the cost of the wholesale segment, as well as retain the global differentiation strategy we have, sustain the celebrity appeal, and continue to build wholesale retail relationships. Company E is ready for years to come if it is able to implement the changes that need to take place in order to properly set it up for success in the future.